So this is question number 40, which is from operating system. I'm reading out this question for you. Consider the following solution to the producer-consumer synchronization problem. The shared buffer size is n, 3 semaphores empty, full, and mutex are defined with respective initial values of 0, n, and 1. Semaphore empty denotes the number of available slots in the buffer for the consumer to read from. Semaphore full denotes the available slot in the buffer and for producer to write to. The placeholder variable denoted by P, Q, R, and S in the code below can be assigned either empty or full. The valid semaphore operations are wait and signal, and they have given the code for producer and consumer. Which of the following assignment to P, Q, R, and S will yield the correct solution? So they want to know what is the values of P, Q, R, and S, and which will lead to the correct producer and consumer situation. So if you check all these options, now we will get the which is the correct answer. So if you check the option A, if you check it like full denotes the number of empty slot from the and semaphore mutex. So option A. Okay, so since the value of empty slot is 0, semaphore is 0, so you cannot wait empty semaphore in the first attempt. Okay, so option A will cause a starvation. Option B will also cause a starvation for the same thing, and option C. So option C. Let's check the option C. So here S is full, R is empty. So option C can satisfy the situation. And for what about option D? Option D, since the number of field slot are 0, initially denoted by empty semaphore, so consumer process cannot go further, so implementation can be wrong. So option D is also false. So for this question, option C is the answer. So if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.